This is the 2Immerse trial of the Silverstone MotoGP. You should have the 2Immerse computer, tablet and smartphone available to fully enjoy the experience. You need to follow the on-screen instructions to connect the computer, tablet and smartphone to your home network. This trial allows you to share the viewing experience across all of these devices. The main view will always be on the TV, but you can view information and additional videos on the tablet and smartphone. The tablet and smartphone app has a number of areas of interest. At the very top is the main menu. Select the three bars to open and close this menu. With the menu opened, you can see which area of the MotoGP experience you are currently in. Inside MotoGP, Watch Live or Race Review. You can also choose to set your TV size, the TV presentation and the TV audio balance. There is also the option of setting your favourite rider. Closing the menu gives you access to a selection of additional content. You can scroll this additional content up and down by dragging to make sure you choose between all of it. At the very bottom of the screen there are three options. These change depending on which part of the MotoGP experience you are in. For example, here during Watch Live, I can choose to view or hide different views of the race, or rewatch interesting events. Depending on the size of your television, you can scale the graphics elements on display. Choose the size that best reflects your screen or which best suits you. The presentation style of the leaderboard can also be altered to best reflect your preference. Are you a MotoGP novice or an expert? During the race, you can alter the TV audio balance. This allows you to increase or decrease the ambient noise of the race or the commentary team. You can tell the app who is your favourite rider. You can choose a favourite rider when either on the tablet or the smartphone, or both. Choosing between the sections at the bottom of the screen shows lots of extra content. During Watch Live, selecting views allows you to bring up multiple video windows, possibly showing the helicam, on-bike cams and much more. Selecting events allows you to choose from a growing list of interesting clips from the race. Returning to the leaderboard shows you the current position of the riders.